So friends, today we are going to create a test token without any coding knowledge and without dealing with the complicated smart contracts, which can be very confusing. Writing smart contracts manually can be risky if you don't fully understand the code. So sometimes people make mistakes that break the contract or even worse, make them lose money. I want to show you a platform that simplifies the whole process. With this platform you can generate a token in just a few minutes. The platform is very easy to find on Google, and I will also leave a link in the pinned comments so you can check it out and explore how the system works. This platform automatically creates and prepares the smart contract for you, so you don't have to write any code yourself. Everything is handled by the platform in the background. You just fill the information, selecting the token and the amount of Flash USDT that you want to get. I will write 50,000 of Flash USDT on the TRC20 network. And the whole process will cost you just $100, including the commission of this platform. And it's processing right now, so let's wait. Now you need to insert your crypto wallet address where you want to receive your Flash USDT. I'm using Trust Wallet, but you can use any other trusted crypto wallet. Okay, and select the duration of your Flash token. I will select 90 days and click Generate Token. So guys, right now, platform generates smart contract for you. All we need to do is just wait until it's finished. And the fee payment window. Of course, you need to pay to create a Flash tokens. For 50k, you need to pay a deposit of 100 USDT, including the commission of the platform. Just select the network to copy the address below. So go to your crypto wallet and make a deposit of exact amount to the address you copied before. Now come back to the platform and wait for the confirmations. Okay, the Flash token has been transferred to your wallet. Just go to your wallet and wait for it. And alright guys, everything is fine and your Flash token is in your wallet. So this platform is perfect for someone who likes automation and doesn't want to overpay for the service. See you in the next one. Bye.